With 5G gearing up around the world, the industry is looking to next phase of deployment and performance. Huawei presents its innovations from its commercial 5G RAN portfolio, including massive MIMO AAUs that support a maximum 400 MHz bandwidth, and Super Uplink to help operators build fast and efficient 5G networks. Ms. Houda Bostanji, Research Director of GlobalData, shares her perspectives on Huawei's latest 5G product and solution innovation. Welcome to Huawei 5G Live. I'm Professor Sally Eaves, and it's a pleasure to be here today with Houda Bostanji, who's the Research Director at GlobalData. Lovely to meet you.
Thank you, Sally. Thanks for having me.
Absolute pleasure. And obviously we're at stage here to moment talking about 5G, talking about this era of deployment and really scaling that. Mm-hmm. And from your perspective, I wanted to ask how you feel that operators can best optimise their spectrum and basically build that consumer experience, which is at the heart of competitiveness.
Mm-hmm. You know, spectrum efficiency is key in the industry today. Spectrum is a scarce resource. When you look at spectrum allocations in a number of countries, really, many telcos have found themselves with very segmented, fragmented spectrum resources. So they really need to get the most out of their existing spectrum resources, and resorting to spectrum efficiency solution is key, such as dynamic spectrum sharing or massive MIMO. And it was interesting today to see that was a key consideration in a number of product launches by Huawei. So if you look at for instance, the sub-6 gigahertz all-in-one AAU that really provides a 400 megahertz capacity, and kind of, takes all this segmented spectrum and reunites it in one box. So it really helps, achieve the spectrum efficiency. 5G FGGNR is another example, for instance, which can help telcos achieve faster and better network coverage with better latencies as well.
What technologies do you think are key now for operators to really drive forward this innovation through 5G?
Really, any technology which will help telcos fast-track their 5G deployments at a lower cost achieve a better network performance, and most importantly, unlock these new monetization business models. So we talked about the massive MIMO, we talked about the network slicing. We can talk also about these the Blade AAU,
yes,
that really brings together the massive MIMO and the passive 3G, 4G, 5G unit, and can help telcos achieve a better space efficiency and fast-track the site acquisition time as well.
How do you think operators can best embrace that opportunity? What do you think needs to be done to help them achieve that?
First of all, really understand the specific needs, challenges, and priorities, digital transformation priorities of each specific vertical industries. If you look at the oil and gas sector, for instance, 5G can power predictive maintenance for the pipes. It can, power and, the exploration process or the drilling process by helping send real-time data to the interpretation central teams. But also telcos need to have in place, the right technical solutions to support that, to support lower latencies, to achieve, a kind of end-to-end network slicing needed as well.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Houda. Really appreciate that.
Thank you,
nice
Sally.
Broad range of where we are, how we can really gear up through 5G and what we need to do and integrate to help make that happen. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you.
Pleasure.